Prove using algebra that the sum of two consecutive whole numbers is always an odd number. Okay, so we've got to invent two consecutive whole numbers. Okay, let's say the first whole number is n. What would be the next number up? Well, it will be n plus 1. And if we wanted the sum, we just have to work out what this is. And that's simply 2n plus 1. So is this odd or even? Well, 2n is the definition of an even number. So this is even. And if you add 1 to an even number, it turns odd. So I can say that therefore 2n plus 1 is odd. And there is your proof.